Okay, so right here next to me, I have the iconic Honda S2000. It's in multiple colors, kind of matching my pajamas, and I'm gonna make this thing one beautiful color, just like this. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back to another episode of Paradox Rapper. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Today, what I have behind me is a red Honda S2000. Those of us in the scene love to mod our cars all the time, and we're always changing stuff up, and it does help to be able to wrap it and quickly change the color. So today I'm going to show you how to change the color on this one from all this messed up stuff to that. Right there is perfect. Woo, look at this thing. It's crazy. All right, we got an S2000 in for a full color change. All that nice gear with the... Are those wide fenders?
They are.
That's sick. How wide are these fenders?
I believe it was 25 in the front and 30 in the back.
Oh, okay.
I might have mixed up though, but to Shine Auto, Jay's Racing front fender and ASM rear fenders.
Nice. These come off easily. I can just use the Allen key.
Yes, yep.
Okay, great. So how long have you had the S2000?
Oh, I bought it from my buddy back in South Carolina in March of this year.
Okay.
So I had it for a while. What's that? 10 months. Give or
Okay.
take.
10 months or so.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're relatively new to owning it.
Yes.
Did you put all this on, or did it come like this?
No. So it was a company down in Sacramento, Score One Auto Tech.
Okay.
John and the guys over there, they installed the fenders and everything, and the wheels as well. I put on the Cybon hood.
Oh, nice.
Jay's spoiler.
The Cybon hood. These are sick. We're not wrapping the hood.
Not wrapping the hood.
Okay. We're wrapping everything. What about the side splitter, side skirt, whatever?
Everything. All body panels.
This thing.
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead
And then we'll wrap. I'll wrap it down to here or so. It will just fold right under. I think it should be fine to do this in one piece.
Okay.
So yeah, this is really unique right here. This thing, okay. So we'll wrap all the way into here.
Okay.
I've never had. This is interesting. This is interesting. It goes all the way in the back.
Right.
Oh, that's cool. But I'm only gonna go to this line right here.
That's okay.
Okay. Yeah, because you won't ever see the other stuff. Are those RPF ones?
They are.
Sick. So he's going passionate purple to so it's gonna be purple and teal.
Yes.
That's gonna be a sick combo. Ooh, Buddy Club exhaust. Nice.
It's gonna be a spec too.
Cool. Are you boosted or anything?
I'm not boosted.
Okay. I drove one of these things. I love it. I went to like 65, 70 miles an hour just in second gear.
Oh, jeez.
Right? When you redline second gear, it's pretty awesome. Okay, let me show you the color, okay? And if you guys are seeing this in the background, he is back. My man with the RSX. We got a whole Honda gang up in here. He's back to just do some touch-ups and redo his lip because he got it primered this time. All right, let's check out this color. So here, we're just going over some damage. We got kind of this dent and then this dent here. And then this right here needs to be sanded down. So I'm gonna sand down the whole front bumper. Here we have the color as well. This is passionate purple. I've done 2 other cars in this. You guys know which ones. So as part of the S2000 video, this is the Honda gang. We're gonna go over this wrap real quick. So there was, a little bit of flyaways like down here by the mirror, and then we have made all the adjustments. So it's just a little dirty right now, but the color's still looking fine. How happy are you with this wrap after, how long has it been?
Since the wrap?
Yeah.
I think about a month.
A month, yeah. So he's
Something
came
like
back
that.
for after about a month. I didn't wrap that part, of course, but he had these things primered, and then now they're all done. Rewrapped after they're primered, it sticks very nicely. All right, man.
Yeah, corrections made.
Wings looking good, right?
Yeah, I think so. We didn't look at much of the wing.
Let's look at the wing.
Yeah, just go over the corners. You could see we didn't do any touch up. Maybe 1 or 2 things, but not a whole lot. It's held together really well, that's for sure.
Yeah, this material is really nice. Cool. Cool. All right, man. Let's go. Time for the
Let's
S2K.
Woo!
This is my
holy hell, it is raining cats and dogs out here. Sorry, I don't have an umbrella.
That's all right.
So I was a little skeptical. Hold on, don't look at it yet. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? I'm gonna have you hang out in the rain for a minute. I was a little skeptical with these wheels and the way the car looked with like 3 colors.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
it's on point. Okay, are you ready to see this beast?
Ready to go.
All right.
Look now.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh shit. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, right?
That's what I'm talking about. Yes, man. Yes.
Come over here, come over here.
Yeah, check this out. Oh my goodness.
Sick with it, right?
This is exactly what I wanted. What I pictured.
How did you know?
This is beautiful.
How did you know that the wheels would work?
Need for Speed? I mean, I don't know.
You built it on Need for
Yeah.
Speed. That's
Just by the
awesome.
colors, but in person, this is amazing though.
Right? If it wasn't raining like cats and dogs, it would be even better.
Right. Oh my god. Looks better wet. I don't know.
Dude, it is hella wet.
I love it.
Okay, let me go over a few things with you here. Right down here, I one piece this whole thing. Okay, so this was a little difficult to do because it's a weird angle. And then it goes down here. It looks like you got some kind of diffuser action going.
Yeah.
Get another one, huh? But the only problem that you might have would be right down here. We'll see what happens when it's hot. Like always, if you have any issues, come back and I'll redo this portion. I might just redo this as a separate piece. But, oh, I didn't cut this out. You want me to cut this out?
Nah, that's fine.
I can cut it out. And then, let's see. The only other thing I had an issue with was, oh, right down here. Okay. No issue down here, but so I did this all in one piece and then I just cut it off right here. So you're looking at a seam right under here, but you can't see it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
These 2 nuts right here, I couldn't get them in like smoothly.
Okay.
So I left it in your shifter thing. I didn't want to cross thread it. Over here, this portion, I tried to peel your old stuff off. It was not coming off at all. Whatever vinyl that was on there, it was literally like just flaking little pieces. And then I lost a little bit of paint right here. So I ended up having to sand this little area down and then just rewrap it to make it smooth. I see a little bit.
It was a Honda paint. That's what it was, or a Honda tape.
Oh, okay, yeah. It was weird. It's not real vinyl, so it doesn't peel smoothly. It would have taken me like 3 days to peel that one, this thing. So I just wrapped over what you had. And then over here, these bolts are different than the ones down there, right? So,
I mean, if they are, then okay.
yeah, these bolts are different thread than that one, and then I accidentally cross-threaded this one. So you're gonna have to drill this one out when you go to remove it or whatever. But other than that,
How's the trunk area?
it's good.
It was good.
You're gonna get a new trunk.
Yeah.
Are you gonna rock the wing still?
Eventually, yes. I made carbon, so I don't want to tap into carbon.
Yeah, duckbill maybe.
Yes.
Okay, so he already ordered a big what you call it, Sabon wing or Sabon trunk, right? Yeah, so that's gonna be dope. But pretty much I just did it, while you're here with just this whole thing. There's a seam running up around here somewhere, and then this is a separate piece. You'll see it in the time lapse of what I did, and then yeah. Other than that, oh yeah, there's a seam right down here.
Oh, You can barely see that. Not even
Oh, you can't really.
until you feel it. Yeah, it's not even.
Yeah, it's. I did this portion as a separate piece.
That's awesome.
But yeah, up front. Okay, so up front right here, I did all of this in one piece up to here. So you're looking at a seam right here. If you touch it, you can feel it. Okay, and then this is a separate piece here. So this and this is all one piece. And then there's a separate piece running right here. But that's just kind of how you have to do it. All right.
No matter what, I love it.
All right, dude.
I love it.
Awesome.
Wow.
Super happy with it?
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
All right, cool. That's it.
All right, awesome.
Woo. All right, guys. I'm here in the hurricane down in Sacramento. And this thing is looking super wet. And so am I. So until next time, leave me a comment. Tell us what you think about this S2000. I kind of love the teal wheels. Is this how you just do it? You just go Need for Speed the game and then you just do the car like how you want?
Just gotta put your mind to it.
All right, guys. Let them know what you guys think. And until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.